Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made delicious catfish pepper soup, and I pair it with the white rice. This is very cool for a very cool weather. Now that it's rainy season, it's very nice. You eat something that is very warm. It helps the body system. Then I went straight to the market where they sell catfish. Then I got some catfish with around 3 something kg. Then I asked them to use ash to wash it for me, which is what I like using. You can use your lime and anything to wash yours. After washing it, then add them to cut it. Then straight to what I'll be using for this pepper soup. I have my red bell pepper, I have my scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, green pepper. Have you tried green pepper on your pepper soup? Try it this time. You like, thank me. Then over to the fish. After coming back home, then I washed the fish thoroughly under a running water severally. The staminate is no longer there. When you use ash to wash, it's very easy. See how clean it is. To start cooking, I put water into a pot, bring it to boiling. Then you adding your crayfish, then your seasoned cube, then some pepper mix, that is ginger, garlic, and pepper grounded together. This I share into two. This is the first set I'll be adding. They allow you to bring it to boiling. Then you go in with your pepper soup spices. That is the egg roll and other pepper soup spices into your pot. Allow you to boil for like some minutes. Then the next thing you'll be doing is to go in with your fish. Test for test to see whether the taste is enough for you. I also added salt. I did not add it to the video. Then go in with your fish, because catfish does not take time to cook. Just stir it a little bit and cover it. Also, I have my scent leaf. This is what I'm using to garnish the pepper soup. After some minutes, this is what how it look like. Then I'll be going in with the remaining pepper and garlic mix I grounded earlier. Then I added my chopped onion leaf, then my green bell pepper, which is also very important. Over here I'm trying to boil my white rice that I'll pair with my pepper soup, which I already prepared. Then after boiling for like maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes, then I'll be going in with my scent leaf. This is the last thing I'll be adding to the pepper soup. Just make sure you taste for seasoning. If you need more seasoning, you can add your seasoning. And this is how the catfish pepper soup came out. This method is very easy and so yummy. It allows your fish to cook and the nutrient to go into the fish. I served mine into my plate. You can see how yummy and delicious the fish look like. Just by the look, the water is so rich. One thing about me and pepper soup is that I ensure that the water is rich. It's not all about just eating water and fish. No, the water have to be the stock have to be very rich, so you can take it with your compounding or your white rice, or you can just have it as a meal. It depends on how you want it. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this method of cooking our catfish pepper soup. This fish is so nice, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification button. Bye.